Before using the FineTuner Echo, you have to pair it with your audio processor. Place the coil on the back or front of the FineTuner Echo. First, switch off your audio processor and switch it back on. It will pair automatically with the FineTuner Echo. If your processor does not pair immediately with the FineTuner Echo, try again. If it still does not work, please contact your audiologist to check that your audio processor is programmed correctly. All FineTuner Echo functions can be performed with either the left processor, right processor, or both processors. To choose which processor or processors you wish to perform the function with, press the corresponding processor selection key. To turn up the volume with the FineTuner Echo, press the upper volume key. To turn the volume down, press the lower volume key. To increase the sensitivity of your audio processor's microphones, press the upper sensitivity key. This will increase the range of the microphones, but may also increase levels of background noise. To decrease the sensitivity of your audio processor's microphones, press the lower sensitivity key. The default key sets volume and sensitivity back to predefined values set by your audiologist. Pressing default will not change your program. To select a program, press the Program Selection key. The bar at the top of the screen indicates which program you are currently using. To switch between hearing sound from your microphones, telecoil, or microphones and telecoil, press the MT button. To mute your microphones, press and hold the MT button for 3 seconds until the mute symbol is displayed. To unmute, press the MT button for 3 seconds again. To activate the connection with AudioLink, press the AudioLink key. To lock your keypad, press the lock symbol for a couple of seconds.